Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Chandni from Super School. I'm back with another video where I will discuss a very important topic from English grammar. And today I have picked up affixes. Now, what are affixes? Affixes are the short syllables which we use before a word to give it a different meaning, or the syllable which we use at the end of the word to change its grammatical function. Now, let me clearly explain it to you so that it's much more understandable. I am talking about prefix and suffix. See, when I told affix, you were a little bit confused, but when I have just pronounced the familiar word suffix and prefix, now it's understandable. Okay. But see, that is the problem. We don't learn English grammar from roots, and we don't clearly understand the main intuition, and that's why we struggle to use it. Now, moving on to prefix and suffix, first of all, I'll begin with prefix. So, what is prefix? So, it's a syllable that we use at the beginning of a word. Now, what is the job of prefix? The job of prefix is basically to give a word an opposite meaning. Yes, so generally the prefixes that we use before word, it kind of gives out an impression that maybe that word means something opposite. For example, misheard and heard. So heard means to hear. Yes, so like he heard it, but he misheard it. That means he did not hear it properly. He heard it incorrectly. So prefix gives an opposite meaning. But there are also other prefix which gives different meaning. For example, multi. So multi is a prefix which means many. For example, multitasking or multicultural. So multitasking means, working in a sense that you're doing more than one job. And multicultural, that means there is infusion of more than one culture. So let's move on to another common prefix, that is pre. Now this prefix gives out a meaning like before. For example, preview or predetermined. So something that happened or something that you know from before. Now another one is re. Re is used before this sort of words. For example, relieve or review. That means revising. Yes, revise. So doing something again, repeating something. So these are the common prefixes that we usually use before the word to change its meaning, but in an opposite way or in a different way. But what about suffix? Now, to know about suffix, you have to watch the second part of this affix videos. So in the second part, I'll be talking about suffix. But if you want to know about that, you have to first like and subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page, Super School. So that's about it. Thank you.